What's up, my beautiful people? Hey, I hope everybody was having a great day today, because mine ain't too bad. But hey, got a review for you. Yes, I do. Y'all know when y'all see this beautiful vase, I definitely got something that I need to share with you. But before I get into it, I would like to say, if you don't mind helping me out, I need a couple things from you. If you're still watching me and you haven't subscribed yet, what's going on? If you like it, subscribe to it. I greatly appreciate it. All right. And another thing, I want some comments. Don't leave some little comments down here. I'd really appreciate that too. A couple likes, if you want to throw a few my way, I'd greatly appreciate that too. So, and I got one more request before we get into this review, if you don't mind. So, I'm having a hard time naming the Screaming Eagle back here. He's kind of becoming my little bit of ride or die, if you can see, because he's a new addition. So, do me a favor. Down in the comments, tell me what this old boy's name should be. All right? So, let's get into this review. And this is what I got. And yeah, it's a box, but there's actually something in it. I bet you can't guess. Because, it ain't like I've reviewed anything like this before. Oh, SEMO-MAC, what is that? Well, my good people, this is a knife. Yes, it is. Look at that little bad boy. Oh, yeah. You like it. Just go ahead. Tell me. I know you do. Just tell me in the comments, SEMO-MAC. I like it. I really do. Can you please review that? Yes, I will. So, what you got here is a Karambit. That's exactly what this is. I have been fascinated with these knives ever since I've been doing martial arts. And even before then. This is actually brought to you by the way of a company called Grandway. Okay? But the funny thing is I bought this one. So I am sponsoring this video today. Yes, I am. Give y'all another look at this beautiful, beautiful knife. Oh yeah, you can see the shine off of that. Got a heck of an edge. I love the handle on it. Oh, look. Oh, yeah. So, a little bit about this. First off, we are going to talk about the blade. This thing is made out of 440 steel, stainless steel, which is going to give you a lot of durability and weather resistant, okay? So, you don't have to worry about this thing rusting. It's got a hardness of around 6 HRC, so you definitely got the durability into this thing. As you can see here, it is an all full one piece, which most of your Karambits, they are made one piece. You got your little ring handle here, and that's so you can do all your little fancy little flipping and doing all that good stuff. And yes, I did do that when I got it, because I used to do that when I was doing martial arts. And it's been a while since I've done martial arts. And I am now healing right there, because I've actually had to peel the skin off of it about 4 times. I sliced my pinky completely open. So this joker is sharp. Yeah, I've been wrapped up for a couple days. Got that all healed up. So you got to be careful with these things, all right? These are not toys, even though I'm acting stupid and with it and wheeling it around, but these are not toys. So overall length of this knife is 6.7 inches. Your blade length from here to here is 3.15 inches. And your total weight, all right, are you ready for this? Your total weight is 2.53 ounces. Tell me that ain't light. I mean, I'm holding it, and I don't even feel like I'm really holding anything. It is so light. But I'm gonna tell you right now, as small as this is, I mean, like from, you know, tip to butt here, you're just over 6 inches. My hands, almost the size of my head. I've got some big hands, but this joker right here in this grip, it is comfortable. I would not think something that small, I thought I would have problems with it, a lot of hot spots and stuff like that. It's not. This thing is so comfortable. It's just, I don't know, it's weird. It's really weird how comfortable this thing is. You know, even on your reverse grips, you can, it's hard to explain. You just have to get you one and put it in your hands and actually feel it, of how it feels natural. I guess that's the best way I can say it. This thing feels natural in the hand. Your handle, as you see how beautiful that is actually made of micarta. I love micarta handles. They, to me, are a very great material. You don't have to worry about them. They're very durable handles. You know, you've got some pretty good, it looks slick as all get out, but it's really good texture. So if you're in a condition where it's a wet condition, stuff like that, you do not have to worry about that. You still have really, really good grip, which actually adds to the safety of this weird shaped knife. So if you're not used to something like this, it can take a little bit to get, you know, used to it, because, you know, as you can see right here, how that dips in, you know, your finger actually fits right in here, and it actually locks in place. So you would think that would slide up, but it's not like that. You got enough, you see that big finger groove right up through there, and this is, you would think that's really sharp. It's not. It feels really, it's curved over really good. Same way with your thumb and this right here, that groove, your thumb is placed perfectly in there. You know, you don't have any jipping or anything like that on there, any jipping, but it's okay, because the angle of how it flares up so high, your thumb sits perfect up in there. And honestly, the way this curves up through here on the blade, to get a better gripping of coming across, you can actually rest that thumb right up on there, and it's made for your thumb. I mean, it's the perfect, literally it's the perfect shape for my thumb. So it's a great tool. It is. I love how these, I've always wanted one. So I found it on Amazon a couple nights ago, went ahead and got it. And when I tell y'all what the price is on this thing, you're not gonna believe me. But I'm not gonna tell you that till the end of the video. So you need to stick around for it. What this does come with, you do have your sheath that comes with it. This sheath is a nylon, but it is a nylon made with Cordura, I'm sorry. I don't know if you don't know about what Cordura is, that stuff, it is amazing. It is some of the toughest stuff you've ever seen in your entire life. I have all of my trucks that I've had for the past 10, 12 years, which has been probably about three trucks. They have all had the Cordura. They've all had that type of material for my seat covers. They are cut resistant, they are stain resistant, they are water resistant, and I'm telling you, with 2 kids, you know, at the ages they were, melted crayons, you know, all that crap like that, staining, no problem with it. That's one good thing about this, it is cut resistant. So, you know, you got something shaped like that coming in and out of that, you want something that's cut resistant, and this is cut resistant with that material. I mean, you can take this across here and no, I got nothing on there, nothing at all. So I'm like, hey, there you go. So that's actually pretty good. I like it. So what can we use this for? Well, technically you can use it for anything. You can use this thing for self-defense. That is one of the big top things for this type of knife is self-defense. EDC, camping, hiking, traveling, bushcraft, you know, pretty much you're going to see, we are going to do cut test on this, what I normally do, and you're going to see that these things are sharp as all get out. You can pretty much do anything you need to with it. You know, military uses these a lot. I mean, I know a bunch of guys that I'm friends with that have served in the military. They carry these things, they love them. And it's small enough, to be honest with you. I mean, you know, I know a bunch of females that love knives. You know, you can set this right in your purse with no problem. So, you know, it is small enough to slide that right in there and you're good to go. So, you know, it's one of those unique knives that if you know how to use it, you're going to love it. That's just all there is to it. So let's get down to some cut tests. See if I got some paper around here. And yes, I do, right here. So let's see what we got here. Coming across. Get this up here. Yeah, that's good. And that's even better. And yeah, so I'm thinking this is sharp, and I know it is because my pinky says that it is. So, oh, I didn't have folded that on me. It folded on me. I'm gonna say it cuts, guys. That's just all there is to it. So, I mean, coming across here like it's nothing. It's kind of like a, what is those, raptor? Got me a raptor claw going on here. But, passes the paper test. Got some rope tests. Now, this is a little bit different than my other rope that I have, but it's all the nice little spongy core type of rope. And we're going to see how we're going to do. Always remember, cut away for safety purposes. And yep, I don't think that's a problem for it. Not at all. And we come to my wood test. As you can see, I've been whittling on this bad boy like I don't know what. So it's the same piece of wood that I've always used. And we're gonna try this. So let's see what we got here. Oh, looky there. Yeah, I'm throwing wood. Yeah, I am. As you see, it flat. Let's see if I can. It, you know. Hey, what can I say? See if I can curl it up. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, my curling's not too great today. But yeah, I mean, right there, I'm cutting down into it. So, I mean, there ain't nothing else to say, guys. This thing cuts. Man, I got freaking wood shavings everywhere. I have to clean this up. So, what does Mr. SEMO-MAC here think about this knife? Well, as normal, you know what I think about it. Oh yeah, are y'all ready for it? It is SEMO-MAC approved. Right up there. Beautiful. Beautiful little stamp. Y'all like it. I know you do. Comment on my stamp. Do you like it? Do I need to do something else? You know, does it need to look more professional? Probably not, because I'm probably going to leave it the way it is. But hey, I want to hear from you. Let me know. So, that is my review of the Grand Way Karambit knife. If you like it, I'm going to drop a link down there in my description for you. And I'm going to tell you what the price is, what I gave for this thing. I don't think you're going to guess it. Not right off the bat. You saw how sharp it was. I told you what this thing was made out of. And you see it's scratch resistant. I mean, I cut across there. It didn't cut it or anything. So, this was under 10 bucks, y'all. This was $9.99. So yes, you can buy knives that doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. Only a little part of your pinky. That's all it has. That's all it costs, okay? That's it. But you can find stuff if you're really looking. Look at your steel. Look at, you know, your handles, what it's made out of. And for everything that this is, $9.99. You can't beat that anywhere else. I can tell you that right now. So I'm gonna drop a link to this down in the description. And if you want one, go pick it up. Because I'm going to tell you right now, just don't be whirling it around like I did and end up, you know, don't do that. I do not recommend that. Let's just say that. Okay? I don't recommend it. But anyways, y'all, hey, I do appreciate y'all sticking with me. If you're still sticking with me, I appreciate it. But as always, be kind. Okay? I really hope y'all are. And I hope you have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace.